Here's another problem from Unit 9.1, Day 2. On this one, the A is going to be 1/2. Okay, that's our x squared term. There is no B term. Notice there's none with just an x. So I'm going to say 0. And then my C is -4. This one, it is a positive 1/2, so it opens up. And then the axis of symmetry, remember that's x equals -b/2a. Well, it doesn't even really matter because here our b is 0. So -0, 0, that means the same thing. Over 2 times 1/2. No matter what's on the bottom, this will just equal 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay, so this is the line x equals 0. And if I plug that in for my vertex, you have to plug in 0 for each part there. I think it was 1/2. And then 0 squared -4. And so we'll have 0 -4, which is just going to be a -4. And that's what y is. But the vertex, remember, is in the form x, y. So my x I plugged in was 0, and the y is -4. That's going to go 2 places. First off, on the graph, 0, -4 is here. And then I also want to put it on my table in the middle, 0, -4. I want 2 numbers less than 0, so -1 and -2, and 2 numbers greater than 0, 1 and 2. And to find those values, if I plug in, let's see, if I plug in 1, I get -3.5. And I also get the same thing for -1, -3.5. And if I plug in 2, put in the calculator right now, I get -2. And also up here, I get -2. So -3.5 and -2. In fact, you can see both. -3.5. So -1, -3.5 would be here and here. And -2 is right here. And -2 is right there. So this one, you can see it's a little bit wider than some of the other parabolas we've had because our a term was a fraction. It was smaller than 1. Since this does open up, we are going to have a minimum value. And we don't need to write what the value of that is. And then the y-intercept, that's wherever x equals 0. And it happens to be our vertex on this one. So it's going to be the point 0, -4. Ooh. Oops. 0, -4. There we go. And then the domain is going to be from -infinity to infinity. Those are the x values. The y values, again, the smallest y value is -4. Then it goes up to infinity. So it's going to be from -4 with a bracket to infinity with the parentheses. And there you have it.